fears to speak of 98, who blushes at the name. When cowards mock the patriot's fate, who hangs his head for shame. He's all a knave or half a slave, who slights his country thus. But a true man like you men will fill your glass with us. We drink the memory of the brave, the faithful and the few. Some lie far off beyond the wave, some sleep in Ireland too. All are gone, but still lives on the fame of those who died. All true men like you men, remember them with pride. Some on the shores of distant lands their weary hearts have laid, and by the stranger's heedless hands their lonely graves were made. But though their clay be far away beyond the Atlantic foam, in true men like you men, their spirits still at home. The dust of some is Irish earth, among their own they rest, and the same land that gave them birth has caught them to her breast. And we will pray that from their clay full many a race may start, of true men like you men, to act as brave a part. They rose in dark and evil days to right their native land. They kindled here a living blaze that nothing shall withstand. Alas, that might can vanquish right, they fell and passed away. But true men, you men, are plenty here today. Then here's their memory, may it be for us a guiding light, to cheer our strife for liberty and teach us to unite. Through good and ill be Ireland still, though sad as theirs your fate. And true men be you men, like those of 98.